Welcome guys, 1 second. Welcome guys, today we are making a video of how to make your desktop 10 times better. I do the first part 1, right? So I'm doing flip my laptop almost fell. Okay, so here's how you guys need to, this is the part 2 of the, oh my god, what the hell, my mic. So let's open Microsoft Store. So let's open Microsoft Store. If you have a Mac, I don't know if this even works. I don't even. Yeah, it might be working. Okay, and then type in lively wallpaper. It should be here, right here. And then install. Will take a minute. And minimize that window and click. I will use my Opera GX. It's supporting this web browser. It's almost a gaming web browser. It's not almost. You can customize everything, yeah. And then the other one is rain meter. Oh my god, rain meter skins. Not rain meter. I show you guys how to do that. So let's see our download is installed now. My PC is oh, that's not a lot of. Damn it! Thank God that. Okay, let's minimize that. Then click download that. Yeah. So let's save rain meter. Oh yeah, because I don't have the space, so I'm gonna save it on that. Rain meter is installing. Yeah, I have a VPN now, so I'm protected. I'm gonna feed. Yeah, I'm Indian. That's why. I'm Indian. Wait, let's see our download. My PC is gonna. My whole game is. I'm gonna buy a new desk soon. Played Rainbow Friends that video. I forgot to upload. Yeah, I'll put that video and it's coming soon. I'm not gonna tell you the date. If you are my fans. Yeah, no, Flumpy. Flumpy, Lumpy. One thing, guys. Dude, you did not see that. Okay. Okay. And next. And I don't care, just install it. And then click yes on that. And then finish. And it should show you this. And then you can unload every skin you see. Oh my god, my PC is lagging. When does this even get it? Oh, flip. I get it, press space. So, okay, maybe installing on. Okay, what's install on? Yeah, I don't get what's install on the web browser. I don't get it so slow on. Oh hell nah. Let's install it on the web browser because it's slow on this lively wallpaper. This is it. And then click that. And then the winner is Microsoft Tour 2023. So I kinda like this one. Let's install it. And you have bunch of wallpapers like this. Yeah, you can just put in your gallery photos. Yeah, you can just do that. Installer. Please don't don't hack your PC. I'm not trying to hack your PC. Yeah. What the heck? So I'm gonna show you guys the other way until I finish. Okay, guys, and then I will show you guys the next one. I'm getting nervous. Okay, guys, I cancel the thing. It's doing like 4 hours, 6 hours. Like, okay, I don't care. I'm gonna just install it from Microsoft Store. That's the best idea. So, type in lively wallpaper. And then we have what? Flip. Translucent TV. Then type in translucent TV. Okay, then down the translucent TV. Yeah, this is here. Then click install. Yeah, this is gonna start in that in. Yeah, I don't know when this gonna even happen. So let's make your board desktop to this. I don't know how by my boss to you guys. Yeah. And rain meter skins. Okay. And then you need to freaking and then you need to freaking boot your computer. Yeah, you don't need to break your computer because I'm stupid sometimes. Yeah, I'm stupid sometimes. Oh no, it's my PC lagging now. It's not gonna even. No, no. 1 minute left, so thank God. It's translucent TV. Translucent TV. That's kind of fast. Then open that. Yeah, your taskbar should be that. Okay, that's it. And then what flipping look for that? That's right. Raymond down. So 7, 6. Yeah. Yeah, I just completely ruined my PC. Oh no. No, 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 no. Is this PC's gonna die? Let's see. Control X. Did I just forget that how to do that? No, just stand up faster. Begging you. I'm flipping begging you. I'm flipping get a life brick you. Just freak it. Yo, shut up. Oh yeah, I forget to. Oh, I gotta buy a new Wi-Fi and a new PC as well. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just buy a new. Just I can only ask for that. This thing is not gonna even floppily down on. Oh, thank God. This is itself. What? You guys did not even see nothing. So what? Install. And then 12-hour clock in here. I'm in India, that's why. Okay. And then close settings. And then that. And that. And you should see this. And then you can use your mouse this. Oh. Oh no, that's the wrong one. No, no, I'm stupid. Wrong one. Wrong. Wrong. Uh, oh no. Gotta find it. Yeah, let's do it then, bro. I will most gonna make my head broken. What set? You got the perfect it. And then install. Please, I don't make it again. And then 12-hour clock. Color to. Oh, and then you can increase it by your mouse rotator. I think. Yeah. I think that one is the even get it install. I will show you. I will read you guys at the installation. Install fully. Yeah, bye. Okay, I'm not gonna do. Okay, let's play some Roblox while this is installing. Oh my God, let's play some Roblox, guys. Well, this is flipping install. Why do I have the worst Wi-Fi in the world? Oh my God. Why did I even get to even her motherfucking freaking friend? Please donate, but you're handsome. I have zero Robux. Don't guess that. Don't guess that. What the hell? Okay, thank you. Let's get up. Sassy, you're dead. If this thing steals Robux, I'd get a real. Woo! I'm on the wrong side, guys. My God, why? Oh yeah, I have freaking billions of freaking Robux. Among Us. Wait, did I even do it? Hi, ho, let's get. Wait, is this Alex? You have no. What the hell? I'm gonna just type in my name. 1 trillion billion thousand million thousand billion. Oh my God! Why this? What? Lol. And then I will make it black. Even be what? Aminis. 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 Okay. Why am I pressing X? Do what? Okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. Because my freaking whole PC is gonna crash soon. Because my oh, thank God. Thank God. Let's open this. Hello. Okay, let's open that. And you have two monitors. You can just duplicate the same wallpaper and then click on rain and then customize. I prefer. One second, guys. Yeah, I'm back. How did I even not know this? I'm that stupid. Wait, that's kind of disgusting. I'm gonna make that like hi. Hey. Oh my God, that's amazing. Like me. What does like me do? What does even like me do? Reboot. Reboot. Oh, that's amazing, guys. Like me tenders the flipping nozzle. Yeah, put these on. If you guys are not stupid. I'm not. I'm not giving you guys stupid. I'm stupid. Oh, no, okay. Then click OK. You have just perfectly broke your computer. And then click play this. Mom? Yes, so show you guys this. This is the final results. I don't want to move this. So yeah, here's the light mean. Does it? Yeah. Let's make this bigger. Yeah. And then that's it for today's video. Peace! Bye, guys!